Hi, welcome to 221 Ranleigh Avenue, located in really desirable Bedford Park. Come on this way, let me show you this lovely home. We're going to show the outside first, and we've done quite a few updates here. For example, this is a brand new interlocking driveway. We have new walkway, new steps, professional landscaping. And the lot is actually 24.87, so let's say 25 feet by 190.66. So we have a 25 by 190 foot lot. So as you can see, this lot just goes on forever and ever, which means that the new buyer can put an extension on this home. Right now we're a 3-bedroom, 1 bath, but this home could really be whatever your vision is. And I mean, I see an extension on here. I see, you know, a big renovation that's really going to bring it up to the glory of the neighborhood and really increase the price. This is prime real estate in Toronto. And we're steps from Wanless Park, which is a very nice park. Also, very close to the subway. In fact, on Ranleigh Avenue, about 400 meters from here, there's an actual subway entrance. So you don't even have to walk to Yonge and Lawrence. Come on in. And welcome again to 221 Ranleigh Avenue. Beautiful street, very quiet part of the street. And we are inside now. And as you can see, there's a real organic feel to this home. It's cozy, it's airy because there are 9-foot ceilings on both the main and the second floor. I love the wood trim detail with the crisp white paint. Beautiful bay windows. Really nice bay windows. All of the windows were replaced in 2011 in this home. And I like that the home's set far back from the street as well. Interesting features. You know, this home's been lived in, same owner since 1976. But you know, when you look at it architecturally, there's already a modern feel to it. The new buyer undoubtedly will be doing a lot of modification to the home because it's pretty much in original condition. But the bones are, we call this a home with amazing bones. So now we are in the dining room. Very spacious. Both these rooms, I believe, are about 12 by 12. But again, there's a sense of openness because it's already open concept. And then behind me is our kitchen. Wood cabinetry, you know, original ceramic tile floor. But this is all going to get modified. This is going to get all likely gutted. And I would expect the new owner is going to open this all up. Even though we have a pass-through now, I would think that they're going to open all of this up. But you know, we already have the high ceilings. We're on a great street. We're in one of the best neighborhoods in Toronto. We do have an unfinished basement with 7-foot ceilings, so really there's no need to dig that basement down. I'm not going to take you down there. It's a basement that's unfinished, but there's the walkout. So potentially a new buyer is going to put an extension on this home, or just renovate the inside, potentially maybe create a basement apartment, and you've already got, you know, an access. So let's go upstairs. So here we are in the master bedroom. Really nice size. Again, really tall, 9-foot ceilings, fresh, feels very cozy and just peaceful in here. Lovely bay windows. Wood floors. Coming down the hall. I'm going to try to walk backwards. Coming down the hall. Here is our second bedroom. Pretty cute. You know, it's all the difference in the world with really high ceilings. Makes a huge difference. And a nice tall window. And then finally, we have a little baby room with a nice window overlooking the backyard. and a teeny tiny bathroom, which will be completely renovated into a larger space. So thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, I'm Kim A. Miles from Sotheby's International Realty, and I'm here at 221 Ranleigh Avenue in Bedford Park, which is a beautiful leafy area of North Toronto. We're close to everything, all the wonderful amenities of Yonge and Lawrence, and even the top schools. Bedford Park School up to grade 8 is one of the top in the city, and it's just a wonderful, wonderful area. And thank you again for watching.